The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to revolutionize the drone industry with its state-of-the-art features and remarkable performance capabilities. As one of the most awaited releases by DJI, this drone brings together cutting-edge technology and practical functionality, appealing to both hobbyists and professionals. Let's explore its standout features in detail. First and foremost, the camera capabilities of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro are its crown jewel. Equipped with a 4/3-inch image sensor and an f/2.0 lens, this drone ensures stunningly detailed and vibrant visuals. The ability to record in 6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second sets a new benchmark for aerial videography. Whether it's capturing breathtaking landscapes or recording high-speed action, the Mavic 4 Pro delivers exceptional clarity and smoothness that rivals professional-grade cameras. Additionally, its 14-stop dynamic range and dual native ISO settings of 401,200 allow for greater versatility in various lighting conditions, ensuring crisp and clear images, even in challenging environments. The zoom functionality of the Mavic 4 Pro is another feature worth highlighting. With up to 24x zoom, this drone allows users to capture distant subjects with remarkable precision and detail. While the specifics regarding how much of this zoom is optical versus digital remain unclear, it undoubtedly adds a layer of versatility that expands creative possibilities. Whether you're documenting wildlife from a distance or focusing on intricate architectural details, the zoom function is a game-changer. In addition to its camera prowess, the Mavic 4 Pro introduces a stepless electronic ND filter. This innovative feature offers a range from ND4 to ND64, providing precise control over exposure. Photographers and videographers will appreciate the flexibility this brings, allowing for smoother transitions and optimal results in varying lighting conditions. Whether shooting under bright sunlight or during the golden hour, the ND filter ensures that every frame is perfectly balanced. The extended flight time of the Mavic 4 Pro is yet another feature that sets it apart. Powered by a 6,654 mAh battery, this drone boasts a maximum flight time of 51.9 minutes. This impressive upgrade provides users with more time to capture footage, explore new terrains, and execute complex shots without the constant need for battery swaps. For professionals working on demanding projects, this extended flight time is a significant advantage. When it comes to its launch timeline, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to hit the market in late April. However, there are some rumors suggesting a potential delay, with the release possibly moving to mid-June. While this may require a bit more patience, it's clear that DJI is focused on delivering a product that meets the highest standards of quality and performance. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro combines innovation, versatility, and practicality to offer a drone that stands out in every aspect. From its high-resolution camera and advanced zoom to its extended flight time and stepless ND filter, this drone is built to cater to the needs of professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its release on the horizon, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to redefine what's possible in the world of aerial photography and videography. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates as we bring you the latest news on this groundbreaking drone.